Want to become an iOS developer in 2026? This is the exact roadmap I wish I had when I started. No fluff, no confusion. By the end of this video, you'll know what to learn, in what order, and how long each phase takes. Save this video. You'll come back to it every month. This roadmap is for you if you're starting from zero, you're a student like me, or you want a clear path to your first iOS job. You don't need a computer science degree. You don't need expensive courses. You need a plan and consistency. I'll break everything into 6 phases, month by month, from Swift basics all the way to applying for junior iOS roles. Phase 1, months 1 and 2. Learn Swift fundamentals. Start with variables, constants, and optionals. Optionals confuse everyone at first, and that's normal. Then learn functions, structs, and classes. Practice control flow with if, switch, and loops. Use Apple's Swift playgrounds on iPad or Mac, or follow free Swift courses on YouTube. Spend 30 minutes a day. Goal: read Swift code without getting lost. Phase 2, months 2 through 4. SwiftUI is how modern iOS apps are built. Apple recommends SwiftUI for all new projects. Learn VStack, HStack, and ZStack first. They're the building blocks of every screen. Then master text, image, button, and list. Understand state and binding. This is how your UI updates when data changes. Build one small screen every day. A login page, a profile card, a settings screen. Goal: build a simple multi-screen app with navigation. Phase 3, months 4 through 6. Stop watching tutorials and start building real projects. Build a to-do app with lists and data persistence. Build a weather or news app that fetches live data. Or clone the UI of an app you love, like a music player or notes app. Focus on finishing, not perfection. A finished average app beats a perfect app that never ships. Publish one app to test flight and share with friends. That alone puts you ahead of most beginners. Phase 4, months 6 through 8. Time for professional skills. Learn Git and GitHub first. Every iOS job requires version control. Practice commit, push, branch, and pull requests on every project. Then learn to fetch data from REST APIs using async await. Most real apps need a backend. Study the MVVM pattern so your code stays organized as projects grow. Touch core data or Swift data for local storage. These skills separate hobbyists from hireable developers. Phase 5, months 8 through 10. Go public. Set up App Store Connect and publish your best app to the App Store. Write a clear app description, take great screenshots, and add a simple privacy policy. Create a GitHub portfolio with at least 3 polished projects and good README files. Employers and clients care far more about what you built than any certificate on your wall. Phase 6, months 10 through 12. Get job ready. Learn basic unit testing with Xcode. Companies love developers who test their code. Skim UIKit basics. Many companies still maintain legacy UIKit code alongside SwiftUI. Practice common iOS interview questions, optionals, Arc, SwiftUI lifecycle, and system design. Then apply for junior iOS roles. Remote iOS jobs are everywhere in 2026. You can work for US or European companies from anywhere in the world. Here's the full 12-month timeline at a glance. Months 1 to 2, Swift Basics. Months 2 to 4, SwiftUI. Months 4 to 6, Real App Projects. Months 6 to 8, Git, APIs, and Architecture. Months 8 to 10, App Store and Portfolio. Months 10 to 12, Interview Prep and Apply. 12 months from zero to job ready, if you stay consistent. Even 6 months of focused work gets you building and shipping real apps. Best free resources that actually work in 2026. Apple's official documentation at developer.apple.com, always up to date. Hacking with Swift by Paul Hudson. Free SwiftUI tutorials with projects. Stanford CS 193p on YouTube. The gold standard SwiftUI University course. And subscribe to this channel. I post iOS and SwiftUI tutorials every week. Top mistakes that slow beginners down. Number 1. Tutorial hell, watching without building. Code along, then build alone. Number 2. Skipping Git. Learn it in month 1, not month 10. Number 3. Only learning UIKit in 2026. Start with SwiftUI, add UIKit later. Number 4. Never shipping. Pick one project and finish it. One finished app is worth more than 10 half-done tutorials. Your next step. Pick phase 1 and start today, not tomorrow. Open Swift Playgrounds or Xcode and write your first line of Swift. Subscribe for weekly SwiftUI and Xcode tutorials from a student developer building in public. Comment below, what phase are you on right now? I'll reply to every single comment.